Good evening and welcome to the Q&A session 22 from the playlist of friction. The topic is how to calculate the coefficient of friction. So today I have taken one simple question in which we will try to understand one way of calculating the coefficient of friction. So this question was asked in the IIT-JEE exam in the year 2003, and the question is a block of 2 kg is resting on an ice block. When given a velocity of 6 meters per second, it comes to a halt in 10 seconds. So the coefficient of friction is, so we have four options here and we have to find the correct option. So let us say this is a ice block and there is one block which is resting on top of it. So we give a velocity of 6 meters per second to this block in the direction as shown by this arrow. So when we give a velocity of 6 meters per second to this block, it means that we are applying some force. So I will be now using one equation of motion for constant acceleration, that is v is equal to u plus at. So here the initial velocity is 6, final velocity is equal to 0 because the block is coming to a halt in 10 seconds. Plus time taken to come to halt is 10 seconds, so this is equal to 10 into t. 10 into a. Here t is equal to 10 and a is the acceleration of the block. So from here the acceleration of the block is equal to minus 6 by 10, which is equal to minus 3 by 5 meter per second square. Now this block will come to a rest only when the force of friction, when the magnitude of the force of friction is equal to this applied force. Now since the block is moving in this direction, so the force of friction will be acting in the opposite direction, and when the magnitude of this force of friction and the applied force are equal, then the block will come to a halt. So here the applied force will be equal to, the mass is given to us as 2 into, so here we will be now simply considering the magnitude of this acceleration. Here negative sign means that the velocity of the block is decreasing with time. So this is equal to a into 3 upon 5. And this is equal to, now the force of friction is equal to mu into n. N is what? It is a normal reaction which is equal to m into g. So here m is equal to 2 into g is to be taken as 10 meter per second square. So from here this 2 and 2 will get cancelled out. And so from here mu is equal to 3 divided by 50. This can be further written as 6 divided by 100, and this is equal to 0.06. So the correct option here is C. So thank you very much for joining this session. In the next session I will be continuing with the same topic, but the question will be slightly different from what we have done today. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.